So hello guys, let's start the class. I am Vivek, your mathematics knowledge coach, and in today's class, we will be learning in details about statistics and probability. So statistics and probability. So this is the fourth session of the arithmetic skills bootcamp for mathematics knowledge. In this session, we are going to learn in details about mode, median, mean, and probability. Now, if you focus, if you guys focus on this particular session nicely, I think the statistics and probability, you will be at the top of game in it. So one thing that I would like you to know is if you focus on the easy chapters, like let's say there are going to be 2 or 3 questions arriving from statistics or probability, and if you just master this concept, you will be able to get those questions right. Yep. So let's move ahead. Now, guys, introduction to statistics and probability. Here, we are going to learn. The objective of today's session is that we are going to learn key concepts of mode, median, mean, and probability. So these concepts are essential for solving data-based problem in ASVAB exam. Now, mode. The first thing that we are going to learn about is mode. It is the easiest possible thing that you can encounter in ASVAB paper. Let's say the most frequently occurring data set value is mode. What do I mean by that? Now let's say if there are questions like this, there is a data set value 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8. So if we want to find the mode of this particular data set value, you just need to understand which is the most frequently occurring number. The most frequently occurring number over here is 7. And you guys, you have your answer. So 7 is the mode for this particular data set values. So most frequently occurring value in a data set is going to be your mode. Now, there is another case over here. If there is no repeat, now let's say if this is the value 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no repetition. That means this particular data set values have no mode. These guys here, this type of data set will have no mode. Now, if multiple values repeat with the same frequency, what do I mean by that? Let's say 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 8, 8, 8. So this 6 is occurring 3 times, 8 is occurring 3 times. So this type of, let's say, this type of data set is known as multimodal. If nothing is repeating, no mode. If multiple values repeat with the same frequency, it is multimodal. Let's move on, and I'll try to explain this to you guys with some examples. So let's try to solve this one. Data set. So we have 15, 18, 20, 20. So 20 is arriving 2 times, 22 is 1 time, 23 is 3 times, 18 is 1 time, 15 is 1 time. So the most frequent number is 23 because it is occurring the most frequently. Now let's say 3 is the maximum occurring frequency. So 23 will be our answer. Now, if we check this, 7, 11, 15, 18. So no number is repeating over here. So what do we say? This particular data set value has no mode. Now, I'll solve 3 more questions. Then I'm going to give you 3 to 4 questions which you guys need to solve, and there will be a time limit for each and every question so that you learn how to do the time management in your ASVAB exam as well. So let's try to solve this. What is the mode of the data set? 6, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 11. So 6 is occurring 1 times, 8 is occurring 2 times, 9 is occurring 3 times, and 11 is occurring 1 time. So the most frequently occurring number is nothing but 9. So 9 is going to be our answer. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now the data set is 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 7, 9. What is the mode of this data? We have 3 occurring once, 4 occurring once, 5 occurring once, 7 occurring thrice, and 9 occurring once. So 7 is the most frequently occurring data set value. So we have 7 as our answer. Now, which of the following indicates a data set with no mode? No mode means what? No number should repeat. So let's say here there is 3, 6. 6 is occurring 2 times, so it is going to have one mode which is 6. Here there is 3, 3, 6, 6. This is multimodal. 2, 2, 2. This is again like there is mode is already present over there, and here there is no number that is repeating. So this is no mode value set. Let's move on. Guys, you have to solve this question and your time starts now. Whatever answer you get, please put that in the chat box. What's the mode of the following series of number?
8.
You need to put it into the chat box, buddy.
Okay. Maybe.
Very good. Shamika has already answered. She answered it within 20 seconds, 20 to 25 seconds. Awesome, Abram. Come on, Maria, Daniel, Jacob. Time up. So Shemika and Ablam got it right. So how do we solve it? What is the mode of the following series of number? Let's find out which number is occurring the most. Guys, this question is from the sample paper set of your ASVAB exam. So this type of questions can come directly in your exam. So it's just easy peasy marks. You can just grab them. Okay. Now see, this is 2 times occurring. This is 3 times. Here it is 2 times. This again occurring 2 times. So basically, this 8 is occurring thrice. So it is most frequently occurring number. So 8 is our mode for this particular number series of number. Let's move on to the next question. Be ready. Your time starts now. You have 60 seconds to solve this. Let's see who gets it first. I already have an answer. Shemika. Awesome. Abla. 2 seconds. Shemika just answered before you. Good, Daniel. Maria, are you understanding? Did you understand the concept of mode? We have Leslie as well. Okay, Leslie, have you understood the concept of mode, or do you want me to explain it once again? Maria and Leslie, you guys can put your answer in the chat box also. Okay, time up. So here, the number that is occurring the most is nothing but 8, which is occurring 4 times. So the answer is D. Let's move on to the next question. So the question says, your time starts now. Okay, Leslie says she understood. Awesome, Leslie. Please solve the question. 50 seconds remaining. Oh, Leslie has already answered. Shemika has already answered. Ablam, Daniel, awesome, guys. Within 20 seconds. This type of questions are going to save you time in your ASVAB exam. And you can focus on the difficult topics if you save time on this type of question. Yes, I think all of you have answered. We can move on to the next question. So here, you guys need to arrange everything into the ascending order first. 9 is occurring 3 times. That's correct. Let's move on. Yep. Your time starts now. Here the data is not arranged in the ascending order. You can either arrange them in ascending order, you can just do the tally mark as well. I already have answers in 10 seconds. Awesome. Shemika, Ablam, Leslie. Ablam, you got it first this time. Daniel, awesome. Maria, please answer the question. Whenever you have any values, they are scattered like this, random numbers are there. So you can either put them up in the ascending order. Then we have 5, which is 2 times. We have 6, no, we have 7. Then we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We already have our answer. So 8 is the correct answer. Let's move on. Now, median. It is also very easy. So median, basically, we need to find the middle value. You can either arrange it ascending or descending. Okay. And if there are even number of values, so you need to take the average of the middle two numbers. I'll explain it to you with example. So let's say here, the dataset values are nothing but 5, 8, 12, 15, and 20. So we need to find median means the middle value. So let's cancel this 2 from the right and the left. What is left? 12. This was easy because there was odd number of dataset values. Now let's say, what do we do when there are even number of dataset values? So here we have 1, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12. So here let's cancel this 2, 2. We have these two values which are in the middle. So what will I do? I'll just add this 2 and basically divide it by 2. So what I mean to say is take the average of the middle two values. 5 plus 8 is nothing but 13 divided by 2. So 13 divided by 2 would be 6.5. So that will be your median for this dataset value. I'll be solving these 3 questions. Then I'm going to give you 4 questions so that you just master this particular concept in this session itself. You just need to do a little bit revision, and after that you're done. So what is the median of the data set value? Remember, we need to organize everything into ascending order or descending order. I'll put 1 first, then I'll go ahead with 2, I'll go ahead with 3, then I'll go ahead with 5, 7, and 9. So let's try to cancel things out from the left to right to what is left, 2 in the middle. So take the average of those two. 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2 will get equal to 4. So our answer is 4. Leslie has already answered. Awesome. If you guys know the answer, you can just put it in the chat box as well. For the data set, now let's say 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14. What is the median? This is already given in ascending order. So I'll just take this middle two. 8 plus 10 divided by 2, which is nothing but 18 by 2. So we have 9, which is not sadly not there in the options. I'll consider this as 9 over here, and option A is correct. Now let's say if the data set has an even number of elements, how do you find the median? If it has even number of median, what will you do? We find the average of middle two values. Now, let me give you some questions that might appear in your actual ASVAB exam. So, guys, your time starts now. You have a minute to solve. Remember to organize all the dataset values in ascending or descending order, and then see which is the middle value. I already have an answer. Shemika got it right. Oh, Daniel got it right. Ablam got it right. Leslie got it right as well. Let's move on, guys. The answer is nothing but 10. Your time for solving this question starts now. I have an answer. Shemika has answered. Daniel has also answered. Jacob has also answered. Hello, Joseph. Okay. So now find the median of these numbers. How do you do that? You basically arrange all the numbers in ascending order. Let me do that for you. So here we go. Which is the least number that we have? 8. Then I'll put 9. Then I'll put, what do we have after that? We have 12 and 13. Oh. I just stopped sharing my screen accidentally. Okay, here we have. Let's solve it. We have 8, 9. Then we have 12 and 13. Then we have 16, 18, 19. And then we have 23 and 24. Let's start cancelling out the numbers from the ends. 2 from here, 2 from here, 2 from here, 2 from here. What is remaining? 16 is remaining. So option A is correct. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's move on to the next question. So here is your next question. Your time starts now. I already have two answers. Ablam has answered, Daniel has answered. Very good, Ablam. Leslie has also answered. Awesome, Leslie. Stay till the end. We are going to have an awesome quiz competition. Okay, let me solve that for you. All those who didn't get it, let us try to put all the numbers in ascending order. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. Let's cancel out the 2 from the end. What do we have? Only two numbers that are left in the middle. So 20 plus 25 over 2. So we have 45 divided by 2. If we divide 45 by 2, what would we get? 22.5. So option A is correct. Let's move on to the next question. Here is the next question. Your time starts now. Welcome, Angie. Basically, you need to arrange all the numbers in ascending order and you need to find the middle value set.
All right, sir. So I'm so sorry for late.
That's completely fine, buddy. Oh, we have an answer from Leslie. Okay, Leslie, let's wait for the members. Yes, Joseph, do you want to say something? Your mic is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jacob says 45, Leslie says 50. That simply means I have to solve it. Let's do it. Let's try to arrange all the numbers in ascending orders. So here we have 35, then we have 36, then what do we have? 42, 45, then we have 50, 53, 53, 60 and 64. I have three answers. Never mind, I forgot Lord. Okay, when divided. That's correct, Leslie. Now, let's try to cancel these two numbers from the right and the left. 1 from the right and left. What we have? We have two values which are left. So we need to find the average of this now. 45 plus 50 divided by 2. So what do we have? We have 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 95 divided by 2. Now if you divide 95 by 2, let's divide it, guys. So 2 times 4 is 8, subtracted. 9 minus 8 is 1. Take the 5 down. 2 times 7 is 14. We have 1 left. Put a decimal point over here. This becomes 10 times 5 is 10. Subtract it, you get 0. We have 47.5 as our answer. I hope everyone understood it. Let's move on. Mean. Basically, mean is very mean, guys. You need to do a lot of calculations or finding the average. You need to add everything. Then you need to you need to divide it. So basically, mean is basically the average. It's the same thing. Is average the sum of all the numbers in a data set divided by total number of values. So I'll just try to explain it to you with an example. So let's say if the data set values were 5, 3, 2, 1, 6. So the average or the mean of this would be, you need to add everything up. So 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, and divided by the total number of values. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 17 divided by 5. That will be nothing but 3.4. So this will be your mean or this will be your average. That is how we basically find the mean of any particular data set values. Now here, I'll try to explain it to you guys. Data set 6, 8, 10 and 12. So we will have to add this. I will just hide these things up over here. Let me change the color so that I can write on it. So here we go. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. How many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll divide it by 4. Always try to form pairs, which will give you the sum in tens. So 8 plus 12 is 20, 30, 36. 36 over 4. So if you divide 36 by 4, what will you get? 9. Also, you can also say how many times 4 is 36? 9 basically. Similarly, we are going to do it for this data set value over here. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 over 4. So let's start doing it. I'll just add it with this because it will give me easier terms. 3 plus 7 will be 10. This will be 15. Let's say this will be 14. 10 plus 14 is 24 over 4. So how many times 4 would be 24?
Six.
6.
Six.
Very good. So the answer is going to be, the mean is going to be nothing but equal to 6. Let me solve few more questions for you guys and then I'm going to give you some questions to solve. What is the mean of the data set 3, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12? So let me just add everything up. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 divided by 4. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 would be 18. 18 plus 12 would be nothing but 30. So 30 divided by 4. Now if I divide 30 by 4, what would I get? I'll get 7.5 as my answer. And if you want me to divide and show it to you, we can work it out over here. 30
Mhm.
by 4. So 30, 4 times 7 would be nothing but 28 subtracted. 2 will be remaining. Now, because 2 is less than 4, I'll put a decimal point over here. And after you put a decimal point, you can add n number of zeros. You can add any number of zeros, that doesn't matter. So 4 times 5 is 20 subtracted, you'll get 0. 7.5 is your answer. So option B is correct. Now, let us try to solve the second question over here. So the ages of 5 friends are 14, 15, 16, 18, and 20. What is their mean age? So let's add everything up. 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 and divided by how many number were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5. I'll try to form the pairs now. Here we go. 14 and 16. I'll get this equal to 30. This 20, I'll keep it as it is. This will become 50. 50 plus. Now, let's say this will become 15 plus 18 would be 23, 33. So add 30 plus 20 plus 33. So we have 3. 3 and 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So 83 divided by 5. Can someone give me the answer to this? 83 divided by 5.
16.6.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you 100% sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're right, buddy. Okay. Shemika got it right as well. Awesome, Shemika.
All right.
Now, here is your question, guys. Your time starts now. Average and mean are the same thing. Oh my God, within 20 seconds. Leslie has answered. Awesome, Leslie. Shimika has also answered. Anjay has also answered. Awesome, you guys got it right. Come on, Joseph. Ablam. No calculators, lol. That's correct. You should know you guys don't use calculators because calculators are not allowed in your ASVAB exam.
Yeah.
Remember, you guys have to be honest with yourself. Uh, it might seem you'll be able to give the answer here quickly, but try getting it honestly by doing the calculation on paper, which will help you out for your ASVAB exam. Ablam, you are sending your answers to me. Uh, 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 hold on. I will do one thing. Host and co-host. Now everybody can just send the answers to me. Me being the host, I have some magical powers over Zoom. So okay. Now Ablam, your answer going to come to me. Yep, that's correct. So guys, C is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So here is the next question, and your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I already have some answers in 30 seconds. Joseph, awesome. Very good, Shemika. Ablam, you need to redo it.
Sorry.
Addition, addition. What did you get when you add everything? Yep, Ablam got it right now.
Yes, sir.
Let's move on. Your time starts in 3, 2, 1. Guys. I have some bigger and crazier numbers for you.
Pois não. Tu fais ton 5. Fin, 130. 12.
I already have an answer from Joseph. That's good. It should be. Oh, Daniel. Daniel, we're not talking about the middle value now. We're talking about mean.
Jordan, nous devons qu'il y ait de même. Ce coup-là.
Joseph got it right. Ablam got it right. Shemika, Anjay, Leslie, Anyone wants me to solve this? Let me know in the chat box. Ablam got it right. Uh-oh. Anyone wants me to solve it, guys?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, let's do it. Now we need to add all these numbers. So let's add them up. 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 15. You carry the 1 over. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Put a 0 over here, carry the 1 over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 805 divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 805 divided by 7. So let's try to solve it. 7 times 1 is 7. You subtract it. 8 minus 7 is 1. Carry the 0 down. So 7 times 1 again is 7. Subtract it. 10 minus 7 is 3. You bring this 5 down. 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract it. You get 0. So option A is correct. I hope, Angie, you understood it. Shall we move on to the next question? Next part?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay. Now, guys, we are done with mean, mode, and median. If you guys just now revise it before your exam, you'll be able to understand it better. Now we're going to move on another easy chapter or easy topic, which is nothing but probability. Okay. So probability is nothing but how likely any event is going to happen. Probability is basically we are doing the calculation of uncertainty. If I toss a coin, my chances of winning are 50%. It's either going to end up on head or tails. So, how would we write down the formula for probability? Probability of any event happening would be number of favorable events. You can note this formula down. Number of favorable events upon number of total outcomes, or you can write it as total outcomes. Number of favorable events means whichever events are favorable to us or the event, and then divided by the total number of outcomes. And remember, the value of probability will always lie between 0 and 1. It will never be less than 0, never more than 1. It will always be between, or like let's say it will be equal to 0 or in between 0 to 1. And at the max, it is going to be 1. Let's try to solve some questions and understand it better. Now, let's say I'll just hide this over here. Rolling a die. The probability of rolling an even number is. Now, we guys already know the outcomes of a die are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, we need to understand what are they asking probability of even number. How many even numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, which is nothing but 2, 4, and 6. So number of favorable outcomes or number of favorable events is nothing but 3. Total events 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total outcomes 6. Favorable outcomes 3. So do we have 50% or 1 over 2 is the probability, or you can also call it as 0.5. Now, let's try to understand it by another example. A bag contains 4 red marbles and 6 green marbles. What is the probability of picking a green marble? So, probability of any event happening is number of favorable outcomes, which is 6 green marble, and total outcomes. So, here we have
10.
4 plus 6, yes, which is 10. So, what do we have? 6
Reduce.
10
Mhm.
is nothing but 0.6 will be our probability. You can say 6 out of 10 or 3 out of 5 is your probability. Let's move on to the next few questions. Here we go. Let me read the question for you guys. A bag contains 8 red, 5 blue, and 3 yellow marbles. What is the probability of picking a yellow marble? Always
3.
remember. Oh, you already got the answer. So yellow marbles are is nothing but 3. Then you add everything up, 8 plus 5 plus 3, which is nothing but 3 over 13 plus
50.
15. Yep. So we have A as our answer. Now, guys, if you can solve this, solve it fast. Otherwise, I'm going to solve it. Those who can solve it, send me the answer in the chat box. A number greater than 4. I'm going to write all the outcomes. They are not saying equal to 4 or greater than, equal to or greater than 4. They are saying greater than 4. That means 4 is not included. So how many such outcomes are there? 5 and 6. Favorable outcomes, 2. Total outcomes, 6. So what do we have?
2.
1/3.
But
Option B is correct. Everyone got it? Please show me a thumbs up. Or else if you want me to explain it once again, I'll do that again. Please show me a thumbs up if you understood it. Or you can even put got it message in the chat box. Shemika says you got it. Joseph, yes. Do you have a doubt or you were saying you got it? You're showing hand. Can I get one more example? Sure, I can do that. Here we go. On a six-sided die, each die has a number between 1 and 6. Yeah, this is universal. Everyone knows that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the total outcomes. If you roll a die, you will get only numbers from 1 to 6. You cannot get 0, you cannot get 7. Okay, so these are the total outcomes. Now, what is the probability of throwing a 3 or 4? Now, what did I say? Probability of any event happening is number of favorable events upon total events or total outcomes. So what is favorable to us? It's either a 3 or a 4. So how many events are there? 2 events that are favoring us. And how many total events are there? 6. So what number can you divide 2 and 6 with? You can just divide both the numbers by 2. So what do we have? 1 over 3. Yep, 1 in 3. That's correct. Shemika, did you understand it? Joseph, did you get it?
Yes, I'm good.
Joseph, buddy. Let's move on. Joseph says, yeah, he got it. I'm glad that he got it, buddy. Let's move on. Here is your next question. Your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go. I already have two answers. Joseph got it, Shemika got it. Ablam got B, Anjay got C, Shemika got C, Joseph got C. Let me solve this one for you. A spinner has 8 equal sections numbered from 1 to 8. So it's always better to write down all the outcomes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What is the probability of landing on a number greater than 5? So how many events are favoring us? All the events that are having value greater than 5.
6.
1, 2, 3. So 3
Yeah.
events
6,
out of
7.
8. 3 in 8 is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Here is your next question, guys. Your time starts now. These questions are very easy to score marks. Okay, Ablam got the answer, Anjay got the answer. Awesome, guys. Leslie got the answer. Joseph also got it. Awesome, Joseph. Okay, Shemika says, need help on this one. That's fine. No problem at all. Let's solve it. A box contains 3 blue marbles, 2 red marbles, and 4 yellow marbles. What is the probability of drawing a yellow marble? So, Shamika, what you need to do first, just write down all the possible outcomes. So there are 3 blue marbles. If I'm going to put it into marbles, I'll write it as blue, blue, blue. This is one way of doing it. Then there are 2 red marbles, 4 yellow marbles. What is the probability of drawing a yellow marble? Now, what are the favorable outcomes? How many are there? 4 are favorable to us. So on the top of the fraction, it will be 4. And total
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you
Yeah.
understand it, Deepika?
Oh, okay. Okay, I see what I did wrong. Yeah, so it would be A, right?
Yes, it would be A. You need to find the events that are favorable to us and divide it by the total outcomes. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Now,
Thank you.
let's move on to the next question. Here is the next question, guys.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. It's going to be percentage. Whatever probability that you're going to get, you need to multiply by 100. Angie got the answer. And Angie, you're right. Joseph, you're also right. Shimika says D. Awesome. Anyone wants me to explain this to you? Okay, Ablam also got it right. Okay, most of you got it right. Let's move on. Your time.
Hey, do
Okay,
you mind explaining the last one? Because I was winging it on that one. I don't know. Did
sure,
I get
sure.
it right?
No problem at all. Let me just. Okay, so here we go. A classroom contains 12 boys and 36 girls. So 12 boys and 36 girls. If the student's name is chosen randomly, what is the probability that it will be a girl's name? Now, what is the event that is favorable to a Shemika? It should be a girl's name. It should be a girl, basically. So, can I write this favorable events as 36?
36 over 48
Yeah. And what would you give? You can just divide both the numbers by, you can start
by
dividing.
6.
Yeah, let's start dividing them by 6. What do we have? 6 over.
6 over 7.
Do you think it would be 7?
Uh,
It would be 8.
8. That's 8.
Oh,
Divide
yeah. Okay. I was wrong there. Okay.
divide both the numbers by 2 again, you'll get 3 over 4. And because you're going to get into percentage, just multiply it with 100. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 25 is 100. 3 times 25 is 75%. So option
Okay. Okay.
is
Thank
correct.
you.
Let's move on to the next question. Here is your next question, guys. Your time starts now. Joseph already answered. Anjay, very good. Shemika, awesome. Ablam, redo it, buddy. Thirty-seven white, 3 yellow, and 10 black. So what is the probability that it will be chosen from? It will be black. So the favorable outcomes is going to be 10. We need to add everything. 37 plus 3 plus 10, which is going to be 10 over 50 multiplied by 100 times 1 times 2. What do we have? 20%. Ablam, do you understand why it is 20% now? Yep, he got it, it seems. Let's move on to the next question. Your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go. I have 5 answers. I believe it's B. Joseph says it is B. Ablam says it is B. Angie says it is C. Oh, Shemika says it is C. Oh, I think it was answer to the previous question. Okay, let me solve it, guys. Whenever you get any case like this, in a lottery game, you can use the unitary system. 2 winners for every 100 tickets. So how do you solve it? Winners, 2, total tickets, 100. Now, if a man buys 10 tickets, what are his chances that he's a winner? Let's write it as X. Just cross multiply. 100 times X equals to 10 times 2. X would be nothing but divide 10 times 2 by 100. Means I'm just dividing both the sides by 100. What will I get? 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 10.
Oh,
This becomes 10. This will become 1, 5. So we have 1 in 5 chances. You
oh,
can also do it this way. We need to find the chances one winner, how many tickets will be there. So 2 out of 100 and multiplied with the number of tickets that we have. 0, 0 cancel. 1s are 5s are. So 1 out of 5 will be his chances of winning it. I hope you guys understood this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, buddy. Now, quiz time. This is what I love the most. I'm just switching on to my other system over here, and you guys will be able to see me over here. Okay, or else I can just keep my this camera on only. Okay, so let's do one thing. Share my screen and let's do Start. Can you guys see the quiz section? Hold on, it will load up. Yeah, I think you
Yes.
guys can see the quiz screen now. I am going
Mm-hmm.
to I am going to share the link with all of you in the chat box. Right, I got it over here. Guys, if you see, you have got a link. All of you have got a link to the quiz.
Yes.
Now I want you to enter using that link and type down, enter the join code, which is 565034. Yep, Joseph has already joined. Shemika has joined. Anjay has joined. Come on, Ablam. Daniel has also joined. Ablam, is that you? Yeah, Joseph, do you want to say something? You have raised hand.
Yeah, I have a question. The
Yeah.
other day you gave us a quiz. I think it
Uh-huh.
was last Thursday, and you
Yes.
said that if we had got 100 on it, we would get the next lesson for free. Is that still like a thing, or how does that work?
Okay. So are you asking me that if you get 100 on it, you're going to get the next class for free? Am I
Yeah,
right?
because I did the last quiz and I got 100 on both segments. So
Oh, yes, yes. You will be having the boot camp free. This boot camp was also free for you, the arithmetic skill boot camp. And in the next week, we are going to have algebra boot camp. That is also free for you.
okay,
Okay.
perfect. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Yeah, anyone who does the practice assignment in this particular boot camp and today, he is going to get a free access to the next algebra boot camp. Okay. Now, are you guys ready to start solving this quiz? Let me start it. 3, 2, 1, go. The leaderboard will be here. You guys can keep solving it. I'm just going to show all the questions to the guys who are going to see the recording. So if they are going to see the recording, you guys can just see the questions over here, and you guys can also practice on your own. Here is the first question. Second question. Third one. Fourth question. Fifth question. Oh, that question you can just IQR. It is interquartile ranges, which is not required for ASVAB.
What is decision time? Choose wisely. Classic strike or classic shield?
Oh, you can strike someone else's points.
Oh,
You
okay.
can, if you see someone else is leading the leaderboard, you can just cancel. You can just strike his points. Okay.
What is IQR? I don't recall any
Oh,
of this.
it's interquartile ranges. This will not come in your ASVAB. You can just put your any answer into it. Okay, it doesn't matter much. This is the sixth question, guys. Seventh. Ignore the fifth question, please. Eighth. Ninth. I'll also show you the graph. And the 10th question. I'll go back to the leaderboard. Yep, Daniel is basically rocking right now. Shemika, you can just strike Daniel's points down. Everyone, please skip the fifth question. You guys don't need to answer it. There are three Anges in the tweet. Are you trying to give the answers A, B, C, D from your all the four devices? Anjay, I will have to cancel your other two memberships.
Mm.
I'll just keep the ones that is on the top. Now Joseph is leading. Shemika is basically Shemika is just behind Joseph. Neck to neck fight, guys. And Jay has just turned the tides now. He's on the top.
Yes.
You can use the shield power up to shield your score. And you can use the strike power up to strike someone else's score. Come on, Shemika. Yeah. NJ and Shemika are just fighting neck to neck now. Did someone just strike someone else's score?
Okay, I think I'm done.
Nimika, just wait for 5 minutes. We'll just wait for others to end, and we will see who is the champion of the today's class. Currently, you are leading the scoreboard. Oh, all of a sudden, Leslie has come on the second position. If she gets that question right, there are high chances that she might be at the top. Ablam and Joseph, you guys are remaining. So till they finish, I'm going to give you some practice assignment questions and make sure you solve them, guys, before tomorrow's class. So here is our platform name. We'll be changing the website soon. ASVABwarriors.com. Okay, I will try to put that in as well. Hold on for a second. So if you see carefully, for others who have solved the quiz, aswabwarriors.com is basically our site wherein you need to click on the courses tab. Then you can click on the math. It's completely free, guys. You don't need to pay anything right now. So buy now for free. Once you buy it, you can just continue with any Google email address that you have. Let me go ahead with this right now. And you are in. So here is what you guys need to solve. Here is your assignment for the day. Practice assignment 1, and there will be practice assignment 2 as well. So let me share the link with you guys. You can just sign yourself up. Right now it is free. Okay. Is everyone done with the quiz? Yep, Ablam is waiting. Ablam, we're waiting for you, Ablam. Till then, you guys can just go have a look at the courses. Sign up yourself over there. And it is free right now, so you don't need to worry about the cost or anything. Once we are done with Ablam's question solving, we will announce the champion for the day. Okay, there is just one question left for Ablam. Oh, okay. So, guys, I'm going to all of you have answered it. I'm going to end the quiz now. There you go. So here we have Shemika on the third place. All of you guys, please clap for them. Shemika, Ablam, and Leslie. Nicely played, guys. Okay, so now that was it for the day. And in tomorrow's class, we'll be learning about some other topic. Okay, and in the next week, we are going to focus on all the details of algebra from mathematics knowledge. So, guys, I hope you understood this class pretty well. And if you understood it, please consider to put a feedback in the group, Facebook group ASVAB Warriors. So it will just motivate others to join the free boot camp as well. So it was pleasure meeting all of you. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time, same place, but with a different topic. Thank you, guys. This is your math coach Vivek signing off. Bye bye. Thank you.
I see you tomorrow, sir.
Bye bye, buddy.